Here comes the kitty cat. Meow meow. Meow meow. Hi. What? I don't have food. It's not night market yet, buddy. I don't have any food for you. Wow. Alright, so a problem we've been having is that when it rains heavy, because we get the monsoon type rains here, that the water is collecting up between the firewall vent, and it's causing rainwater to come into the cab and get the floor soaking wet. I don't even know how to take off these windshield wipers. I'm gonna need to take these off somehow. Probably have to Google it. Oh, nope, right there it is. So we get these off, and then we're gonna take this plastic piece off, see what we can do with that. Hi, buddy. So first gonna take these wipers off. If I can. Oh shoot, you know what? There's that spring on them, that's right. There we go. Gotta bend them up, then pull them out. Let's sit this down here. Do the same over here. Gotta get that plastic cap off. It's a little bit cooler over here, there's more shade. We should be able to pull this off now. So once we get this out of the way, we should get a bigger picture of what's going on down there. Yeah, as I can see, as I suspected. Nasty. Okay, so what you can see down in here, this is where the water is pulling up, and there's supposed to be drain plugs here, but it's filling up and it's actually going into the vent, spilling down in this vent, and then coming into our firewall. So what we need to do is we need to get this dirt. Look at this mud, it's just caked in there. You get this out of here. What that does is allow, there's a hole. I don't think you can see it, but there's a hole right there, and that allows it to drain, the water to drain out. There we go. That was our problem. It's probably the same on the other side. If I can reach down in there past the wiper motor. Oh, I hope I don't find like a spider or something. Snake in that hole. Yeah, lots of gunk in there too. Oh boy, yeah. All right, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go get a bottle of water out of the trunk here, out of the boot, and pour it down there to make sure it's cleared out. Yeah, now it's flowing. That looks good. There it goes. Clear all this debris from the wipers while it's open. That'll probably just end up in the water tray if not. Okay, there, that keeps the wiper down. And we'll take one of these, two of these. We're just gonna push those in those holes. This is like 2 ringgit bag for 100, and I was going to order just 2 of them, and they were like 90 cents. I was like, well, I'll probably break more of them in due time, or maybe I could even resell them. There we go. I thought I saw one missing. Yeah, one missing right there. So we'll just go ahead and replace that while we're under here. cool. That would be it. We put these back on the sides. These have channel grooves, so you slide them down in and then push them in. And then there's also this small tab, so you put it in that gap and slide it down. There we go. We're in. Okay, now we put the wipers back on. We can close the hood for that. All right. And then our little one goes for the passenger side. And I can see where they sat before because there's a mud mark on the window. So we just line it up to that and put it back exactly how I found them. And I think I've sweat enough on this project. And I hope it helps someone out there, because I had to watch so many different videos in Bahasa Melayu, and I am not fluent in Bahasa Melayu. Boleh bercakap sikit-sikit, but I hope this helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share.